Oh my god, I forgot that step. Did I just ruin my brows? Did I just ruin my brows? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorga day? Oh my gosh, it's stunning outside and that's why we're inside. Because I'm not a sun goer. I'm a moonwalker, if you will. That's not a thing. Anyways, guys, what is up? So honestly, no makeup today. We're just gonna be chilling, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to go ahead and attempt a brow lamination on myself. I'm gonna DIY brow laminate my brows. I've never even got them regular laminated, so I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. I just bought this off Amazon, and if my brows fall off, I won't be filming for several months. Period! I'm not the bitch that can pull off a no brow look. I'm just not that girl. Oh no. Oh, I'm not that girl at all. So anyway, I bought this from Amazon. That'd be kind of fun to just go ahead and sit down here and just like kind of try to do it myself. Would I recommend you guys doing this at home? No. No. I'm just gonna try it out myself. I'm not here like saying, laminate your brows. Do it. No, no, I'm not doing that at all. This is just me wanting to mess around and try. As always, you guys, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. But if you guys do like this video, if you guys like having eyebrows, if you guys like the sun, subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so we have this little kit right here. It has like thingies, and it comes with beachy thingies right here, okay? So this is from Elevate the Beauty Eyebrow and Lash Lamination. I don't think you can laminate your eyelashes. Can you like curl your lashes, but not laminate them? Oh, this is gonna be a journey. Okay, so it comes with these little 3 pads here. These are eye gel patches. I don't need that. But we have a little applicator thing in here and some spoolies, which we will need. And then we have these extra little things here. Right, so we have this like glue, we have the number 1, number 2, 3, and 4. This is like the actual lift, the fixation, the nutrition, and the cleansing step. So let's just go ahead. We're gonna literally, like the box has the instructions, which is so strange that it doesn't come like in a little card of instructions. It's like on the box. I've never had like a box. Yes, because brownies have instructions on the box. Use the cleanser solution, number 4, to remove oil, dust, and makeup remnants. Cleanser right here. And I brought these from my bathroom because I opened the kit and I noticed it didn't have any cotton pads. And I'm like, ew, what the fuck? You need to fucking have the thingies. And it was not included. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of... Nothing's coming out. Okay. Oh shit, maybe I need to like... Popped her cherry right there. Ew, I'm not gonna pop anyone's cherry. Or pop hers cherry. Cleanser. It's kind of cute. It's very scientific. It feels like a little bottle. Do you know what it reminds me of? Okay, we're gonna clean the things. It reminds me of the little bottle in Alice in Wonderland that says "Drink Me." That's a little bottle shape. It is. Ew! A brow came off. A hair. 2. Okay, I'm canceling this. I'm done. I'm done here. But she's clean. She's fucking clean. Look at those brows. They're clean and oil free. Oh god. That's glass. I think. That's rich. That is rich. Next, use a micro cleaning brush to apply lift solution. Ensure that the solution fully covers your eyebrows and hair. So I have plastic wrap here. This is from Glad. This is the cling wrap. We're gonna go ahead and get us some fucking thingies, and we're gonna do a piece that would cover our brows. That was a flop. So let's not go there. I don't want to talk about it. Why do I even own this? I've never even used this in my fucking life. I've never even used it in my whole fucking life.
I don't know what this is.
We're gonna go ahead and pull out another string of it. Okay. Okay! Will this cover up my brow? Oh, it will. Oh my god. You guys, I heard that there's like separate ones that you can like buy like naturally like rolled up easier. That might be the better thing to do. Huh? You guys, it's sticking to each other. Fuck. I can still stretch it though. I can stretch it. That was scary. I've seen some videos of this, right? Where we have this like little lash glue moment and we put the lash glue on our brows and we go up with the lash glue to give us a lash glue down effect. I don't think this is a good idea. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with our first step. We have the little glue step, and this is what's gonna give us the glue down fantasy. This is the smallest little pinchy little twig I've ever seen. So we're gonna go ahead and put this glue through our brows. Oh honey, this is gonna take us a second, isn't it? Okay, 7 years later. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little spoolie once that's glued down. Oh, it's like really strong glue. Oh my god, it's drying really fast. Holy shit. Holy shit, that's drying quick. Oh my god. We're gonna go ahead and comb that upwards. I'll probably just trim my brows after to make sure that they look like decent. Why is that one really long one right there? Ew. Do you guys ever have like that one hair on your body that's like long as fuck, like longer than everything else, and you're like, can you get away from me?
Stop growing!
Sick long hair. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit more glue just 'cause I'm like scared that's like not gonna stick right here, especially right there. Bitch, you guys better get the fuck down. Okay, we're gonna do it right there. Stick that shit up. Okay, this is like really down. Like really hella down. Ooh, ooh, that's a big difference, bitch. That's a big fucking difference, bitch. What the fuck? Okay, we're gonna do the other side. Maybe I didn't need that much glue. Wow, wowie. That is flat to my skin. We're gonna go ahead and put some glue through here. You guys imagine like I'm doing this completely wrong. I'll fucking cry, dude. I'll cry. I'll pinch cry. I'm trying to do it fast because this bitch sets so fast. Okay, so that's really quick. This brow is the one that like needs the help. This one doesn't want to listen ever. When I'm doing like the soapy brow look, this one doesn't want to listen. It doesn't want to listen, dude. I look like an evil leprechaun, like dead ass. Where's my fucking gold? Where's my gold, dude? Okay, basically, like, it's up there, okay? It's on there, it's up there, it's in there, like, somewhere. Okay, so we are officially glued down the house down. Boots! Wow! Okay, guys, so now we're going into the lip solution. There's no going back. There's no going back. Ah! I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the lip solution. Why is there a yellow tint to it? What the fuck is that? It smells horrible. Let's take the beachy solution. We're gonna put this through. Bro, I'm dead ass so fucking scared. Like dead ass. Okay, we're putting this through. I wanna put like a nice heavier coat. It feels so nice though. It feels so like wet and gooey. This product does. Okay, so now it's hella wet. Okay, use clean micro. Ensure the pollution #1 fully covers eyebrows hairs. Let it set for 8 to 13 minutes under that saran wrap. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put this everywhere, all over the brow. Okay, now to the other side. Like this smells so strong. This reminds me of like when I would go with my mom, like when my mom had no one to babysit me and we would have to go with her to get her hair done. This at my grandma's salon. This is what it smelled like, dude. Okay, they're officially covered as fuck. Okay, it feels very cold. And then we're gonna saran wrap the motherfucker. Please don't mess up because I have like literally 10 minutes to do this. Maybe I shouldn't cover my eyes. Maybe I shouldn't cover my eyes, huh? Yeah, here I am covering them up. I feel like I look like Kermit or like Pee Wee Herman or something like horrible. Okay, we're gonna have this on. Bro, my eyes look droopy as fuck. Look how droopy I look. Okay, I have to set a timer. What the fuck? Pay attention, Manuel. I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. It says 8 to 13, so 10 is in the middle. Cause I'm scared. I'm fucking scared. Full timer. I really feel like this is the longest 10 minutes of my whole life. Like dead ass. How many minutes left? 7! Oh my god, 7 more minutes. Like, I can't do this. Like, I can't fucking do this. And I'm hungry, too. You got me fucked up, dude. You got me fucked up. You don't think I'm gonna eat my fucking Lunchables right now? You got the wrong bitch. I love Lunchables. At least you can see through it. I feel no burning, by the way, you guys. I feel no sensation. Nothing's happening. It feels fine. I'm not scared. No, I am. What am I saying? I'm scared, but I'm not petrified as much. I need to figure out a better way with this, because this is not going to happen. This can happen again. I feel like I should have been holding it like this the whole time. Just like, stay still. 10 minutes, bitch. That was 10 minutes. This says 8 to 13. Should I do one more minute? I feel like just one more is not gonna hurt. Just one more. Using dry makeup remover pad, remove remnant of solution 1. Okay, apparently this is remove remnant of solution 1. I feel like a fucking fly stuck in a fucking web. Okay, it's been another beachy minute. Let's take this bitch off. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. You guys, I'm actually scared. Okay. It smells like fucking death, literally. So listen, we have the cleansing solution. Let's cleanse this Just kidding. My forehead's burning now. Why is my forehead burning? Okay, we're gonna clean that off, it said. We're gonna clean it off. The glue, man, the glue is so strong. Like, did I fuck up? Should I not have used glue? Because I thought like I had seen other people use glue. I mean, they look like they're moving now. Look, they're fucking moving, bro. They're moving! Oh my god, did I just fucking do it? That one's acting up a little bit, but they just comb down, but then they go up if I ask them to. Maybe it's because the glue, huh? Okay, now that I feel like this has been thoroughly cleaned through, why they look darker? Did they just go darker? Did we dye them too? We're gonna go and spoolie them up again so I can apply the fixation solution. I think this is working, you guys, because my brows would never do this before. They would never in their lives do anything like this. I'm not kidding. Okay, I'm gonna do that. A little higher up. Whoa, they're just like almost like doing what I say. If I say go up, you went up, baby. You jumped when I said jump, and I'm here for the jump, bro. Okay, so we have them lifted up. Let's go and apply the fixation solution. Use a clean micro brush to apply fixation. When applying direct your eyebrows desired way. Okay, when applying it direct, blah, blah, blah. Let it sit for 8 to 13 minutes. So 11 again. By covering with plastic wrap. Okay, not included. Of course it's not included because you're a cheap ass fucking thing. You're fucking cheap. Okay, let's go ahead and apply the solution. So it said apply a generous amount, and baby, when I tell you I am always generous with my men and with the solution. I'm just kidding. Anyone want a sugar daddy? Hit me up. Y'all want a sugar daddy? Go ahead and hit me up right now. DM me. I can imagine myself being a sugar daddy low-key. No, because I want to be a sugar baby though. I like both. I want to do both. Can I have both? I'll be my own sugar daddy and I'll be my own sugar baby. How about that? Okay, this is covered as fuck. Like ass food. I'm gonna go ahead and take a new spoolie or like one from the thing and really comb that up. Cause I'm scared like we're gonna have to put this shit in place, you know? So I'm gonna make sure it looks poppin' and good. I feel like Chewbacca. I feel like fucking Chewbacca with the amount of hair I have on my brows. Chewbacca mask! You saw nothing. I bet this is supposed to be so much faster, but since I'm such a little bitch and scared, I'm going so slow. My brows are so different. You like really realize it when you stem them all on their edges. How different they are. Okay, we got it officially. Let's saran wrap this bitch. Time to look like a fucking Mosca again. Woohoo! Maybe I'll just do it higher this time. I went like really tight with it though. Hopefully that's okay. Oh, 10 minutes start. Oh. Okay guys, so we are literally back and the brows are lammed. I'm back and the brows are lammed. I'm back and the brows are lammed. Laminated for lammed. In case you guys are curious about that one. So it's been about 10 minutes. My alarm went off and I'm waiting that extra minute. So I'm looking at the camera. 51 seconds in. Okay, I'm gonna take it off at 11 minutes because that's what I did with the first time. So next I believe we go in with the cleanser and we clean off what the fuck is in this brow. Feeling it? It like feels like micellar water. This cleanser, girl. Okay, taking it off now. Also, I did feel a bit of a like tingling sensation on my brows on that time. It was a little tingly, like a little bit. Not a lot. But a little. I'm gonna comb it upwards and just kind of comb these bitches out to get that extra solution out of my brow. Yo, you know that shit's in there still. You know that shit in there. I'm actually gonna take the spoolie, taking that spoolie and clean out any potential more solution that way. And use this to like really go through it. Bro, they're like actually sticking straight the fuck up though, so I'm a little shocked. Okay, let's take this cleaning solution again and wipe her. Okay guys, so last but not least, I cleaned these off. Now we apply the little nutrition step. Use mascara brush to apply nutrition solution number 3 to stimulate brow rads. Or I mean, I'm taking a little mascara wand and the little oil. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna put that and we're just gonna comb that through the brows. So you guys, obviously, like when you're doing this, like this is obviously like not good for your hair. Like it's literally like perming your hair, I believe. So that's why you kind of want to hydrate them and nourish them since you just fucking destroyed the shit out of them. You know what I mean? You just destroyed the shit out of them. So I think that's why we're doing this step. To truly get some nutrients back to the brows. Combing, as I'm combing the nutrients in. Yo, I believe that like my brows are fully laminated. Like I think I actually just did that like low key. What do you guys think? I mean, mind you, they're wet still, of course. I can't like wet them for 24 hours. It says keep eyebrows dry for 24 hours. Bitch, how am I keeping dry for 24 hours? That's so many hours. But like, what do you guys think? What the fuck? Use mascara brush to apply nutrition and keep brows dry. So like that. So nutrition stays dry from there on out. Okay, we hydrated the brows and this is them hydrated and now they're nutritioned. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, so I'm excited to see what they look like tomorrow. I'm very interested. I will go ahead and insert a clip on my iPhone at the end of this video to see like what they look like 24 hours later, just to give you guys like the final verdict, the final tea. But so far, first step of the video, we are completely done. They are laminated. They look laminated to me. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I did pretty good? I feel like I did kind of good for my first time here. Like I'm not mad at it at all. I think I'm done now. Yay! Okay guys, I'll check in soon to see what we think 24 hours later. I changed my mind, so I'm not gonna leave the brow oil on, because even though it says on this thing, I looked up some videos and it said like that once they had the oil on, they took it off later on. They took that shit off. So I'm like, okay, I need to take off my oil. So I had the oil on for like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the oil with that cleansing solution. And then from there, I'm gonna have my eyebrows dry and then we should be good. Whew. Imagine left the oil on. I feel like that would like ruin it, don't you guys think? Like if you're gonna have an oil on like constantly, wouldn't that like defeat the purpose of like not having your brows get wet? I'm out of the cleansing solution, officially. I guess this is more one-time use for me, I suppose, because I'm out. I'm out, bro.
Bro, I'm tapped out!
Okay guys, so I'm gonna let these brows dry. I'll see you guys back in 24 hours. What is up, you guys? So it is currently the next day and we went ahead and showered and we're good to go. We did about 22 hours, so close to 24 hours, close enough. It is the next day and this is what the brows look like right now currently. They're still like really fluffy looking. I haven't tried like combing them at all. I literally just got out of the shower like this. So I figured it would be kind of fun to just do this together and see like if they listen to us. This has no product on it, by the way. This has nothing on it. I think we succeeded. Oh my gosh, I don't think it was a complete flop, you guys. Look, I wasn't a complete failure, even though I probably did something wrong. I know I did something wrong and like I just feel it in my bones. But the fact that you can like kind of make hairs go wherever you want now is so crazy. Did I ruin my brows? Yeah, because they're probably brittle now and they feel like not as good as usual. They're brittle as fuck, but we got the desired effect. Holy fuck, it fucking worked. Oh, cool. Okay, awesome. It worked, you guys. It worked. My brows are ruined, but it worked. Yeah. Okay, guys, that was it. That's it for today's video. I just wanted to see if we could do it and accomplish it ourselves, and we did. Wow. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of the night wherever you guys are, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And let me know if you guys want to see me experiment and do weird things like this more. We'll find some things to do, and we can make that happen. I'll see you guys later. Okay. I don't think this is my best idea. This is a bad idea. This is a bad idea, huh? This is a bad idea. This is a fucking bad idea. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I have a headache. What am I doing? Redo, restart. She's fucking clean. She's fucking clean. What does that smell like? The scent, the fragrance. Smell like nothing. Smell like fucking nothing. Okay. It smells horrible. I always forget. Ooh, some nutrients, you know? We should be good from there. Ew, get that little gunk off me. Get! I'm so fucking scared.